guys, this is part 2 of our bike ride, and we are going on the small block right now. The truck's right there. We are in our subdivision.
What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video. My aunt's with me. We're just riding, having fun. So, that's part 2. He just said that we owed him $10. So, we. So, he just said it again. He said 12%. Last time he said 10. So we're going downhill, trying to ride with one hand. I'm videotaping, so I'm not going as fast. And so, yeah, that was part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, you should check that out. So.